I used to think avocados were one of the healthiest foods on the planet. Creamy, delicious, and packed with good fats. But recently, I discovered some shocking facts that made me look at avocados and avocado oil in a very different way. And once you hear this, you might never look at them the same again. So, let's pull back the curtain and uncover the ugly truth about avocados. 1. How grocery store avocados can fool you. When you pick up a perfect-looking avocado at the store, it might not have ripened naturally. Many suppliers use a gas called ethylene to force the fruit to ripen faster. The problem? This rush job can stop the fruit from developing its full flavor and nutrients. So, you get an avocado that's beautiful on the outside, but bland or strange on the inside. 2. The problem with avocado oil. Avocado oil is supposed to be pure, healthy, and full of antioxidants. But in reality, a large study tested popular brands and found that most bottles were either heavily oxidized, damaged by air and light, or mixed with cheap oils like soybean or canola, without telling you on the label. In fact, some bottles had no avocado oil at all. When oil is oxidized, it loses nutrients and can create inflammation in your body. The opposite of what you want. 3. No rules. Big loopholes. Unlike olive oil, there's no strict definition for extra virgin or pure avocado oil in the U.S. That means companies can put almost anything in the bottle, label it however they want, and get away with it. Even product of USA doesn't always mean it was grown here. It could be grown in another country, blended somewhere else, and just bottled in the U.S. 4. What about guacamole? If you order guacamole from a fast food place, you might not be eating much avocado at all. Some are made with green peas, thickeners, or cheap oils instead of real fruit. The end result? A green paste that's far from the fresh, creamy guac you make at home. 5. Even in cosmetics, lotions and hair products that brag about avocado oil often contain only a tiny drop, with the rest being cheaper oils like soybean or palm oil. You pay for the name, but you're not getting the real benefit. So, how to choose the good stuff? For avocado oil, look for dark glass bottles, not clear plastic, with a harvest or expiration date. The oil should have a slight green tint. Avoid the cheapest brands. For fresh avocados, Hass avocados from California are usually a safe bet. Avoid ones that are overly shiny. They may be coated in wax. Gently press the skin. If it's rock hard, it's not ripe. If it's mushy, it's overripe. For guacamole, make it at home so you know exactly what's in it. When you get real, naturally ripened avocados, they are incredibly healthy. They're loaded with potassium, magnesium, fiber, and heart-friendly fats. But only if you're getting the real deal. So, the next time you buy avocados or avocado oil, don't just grab the first thing you see. Check the bottle, check the fruit, and make sure you're getting what you paid for, not a cheap, fake substitute. Because the ugly truth is, not every avocado product is as healthy as it looks.